what's going on with GameStop's stock, a little hard to say, is merely just a Ponzi scheme. Right now, GameStop, the price of their stock is skyrocketing. It has gone from $4 a share, where it was last year, to in the last few days, it went up over $300 a share this morning. Double, 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 double. It's exponential. If you take a look at the graph, it just goes like this, just straight up. It is insanity is what it is. Basically what it is a short squeeze. And when you have a short squeeze, what happens is that some people have what's called shorting the stock, where you're essentially betting that the price is going to go down. You borrow shares that you don't own and you sell them on the market, and you later have to repay the shares. And if you can purchase the stock as it drops, then you also are able to pocket the profit. If the shares go up and they continue to go up, then you have the potential to lose an infinite amount of money. And that's essentially what's happening to Melvin Capital, which is a hedge fund which held a huge GameStop short position. And this Reddit group, Wall Street Bets, I believe it's called, decided that they were going to collectively buy up all the shares of GameStop because there was a huge short position in excess of 100% of the number of shares available. Don't ask me to explain it. It's a little bit more complicated. And the price of the stock has, as I said, just gone meteoric into the stratosphere. And what this is a Ponzi scheme. This chair that I'm sitting in right here, let's just say that you put this out on the market and somebody's betting that the price of the chair is going to go down, and people start buying the shares in the chair, and it just keeps going up, 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 and eventually this chair is worth $10 billion. Well, you can get a comparable chair far cheaper. So the smart money starts to sell. And what's going to happen is that some people are going to be left holding a big, big, smelly bag, and they are going to be robbed of tons of money. Anybody who's buying, who bought in at the beginning, it's just the same thing as a Ponzi scheme. You get your money out, you keep buying, and the price of the commodity, the chair, just continues to rise. And then you say, oh, is this chair really worth $1 million? Well, somebody's going to pay $1.2 million for it. Somebody's going to pay $1.3 million, $1.4 million. And if people keep buying, the price of the chair keeps going up. And it's exacerbated, the price increase, because the people that are holding short positions because they face infinite losses are forced to what's called cover the short. So the price keeps going up, but eventually, and it's well past this point in my mind, it reaches a point where the intrinsic value of the chair, GameStop in this case, is not what it is going for. It is not the price that is on the open market of $300 a share versus the earnings that you can get out of that. So this is actually representing a real asset, in this case the chair or GameStop stock and the company, and it is going, some people are going to be left holding a big, big bag. So try not to get involved into the Ponzi scheme, which is what this is. Peace and blessings, everybody. Hope that this explained. If you like this video, thumb it up. You get a little dopamine hit when you do, and hope that this was of value. If it was, share the video. Peace.